Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Redmi Watch 5 Active versus Redmi Watch 5 Lite comparison. So if you look at them price wise, they are the same, and the water resistance is just a bit different. The Active is, has a bigger screen size. I also believe the Active has a better battery life, and then the weight on the Lite is extremely lower. As you can see, only 29 grams versus the Active, which is 42 grams. And then the Active comes in just one color, but the Lite comes in two different colors. And then the Lite has an AMOLED display, whereas the Active has a LCD display. So if you have to go for one, I would still prefer to go for the Active versus the Lite. Again, the battery is the same on both, as you can see here, but it depends on your preference. But uh, there's not much difference between the two if you really think of it. Like, if you just go ahead, you can go through all of them. The Active has just one to three slightly more features and is better than the Lite, but price wise they provide no difference. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.